welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be making edible chocolate chip cookie dough. Now I absolutely love cookie dough, maybe even a little bit more than I like cookies, but this cookie dough is super quick and easy to make and there's no eggs involved either. I'm also going to bake a ball of cookie dough at the end just to see how it turns out because I've never done it before and I'm really curious. So let's get going. The first thing you need to do is heat treat your flour, and this is just to kill any harmful bacteria that may be present in the raw flour. So it just needs to reach 70 degrees centigrade or 160 Fahrenheit. So I'm gonna spread this onto my baking tray, and this is the only bit of cooking that we're actually gonna do in this recipe. You could always put it in the microwave, about 600 watts for 1 minute 30, stirring it regularly just to make sure it doesn't burn. Perfect, so let's go put this in the oven. We're back. My flour is cooling on the side there, so that needs to cool slightly before you add it, just so it doesn't melt the chocolate chips. So next we're gonna add softened butter and both sugars to our bowl. So I'm using a combination of light brown sugar and granulated sugar, but you can just use one or the other, but I really like the taste of light brown sugar in this. Now I'm just gonna cream these together. You can use a stand mixer or an electric mixer if you have one, but not everyone has those, so I'm just gonna do it by hand. So you're just gonna mix these until they're really nice and combined and there's no lumps. Now I'm gonna add our milk and vanilla. So I'm using whole milk, but you can use semi or skimmed if you prefer. The milk is just to moisten the cookie dough because no one wants dry cookie dough. Now I'm going to add in our vanilla for flavor. Mine's almost empty. We could be here a while. And now I'm just gonna fold these in until fully combined. Great, so it should look sloppy and smooth now. So I'm just gonna grab our flour. Now I need to think of a clever way to get this into my bowl. I'm gonna push it at one end. I just feel like this is gonna go wrong. Okay, flour is in the bowl. Now I'm gonna add a teaspoon of salt. Now, salt is really gonna elevate the flavors of your cookie dough, so salt is a must, okay? And now we're just gonna fold everything together and that's gonna form our cookie dough. Our flour's now fully incorporated, so last step, we're gonna add the chocolate chips. I'm using dark chocolate chips, but you can use milk chocolate chips or white chocolate chips, or you could add nuts or even like M&Ms or something like that. Go wild. And that's literally it. We're pretty much done. So grab a spoon and eat it straight from the bowl. No, I'm joking. Don't do that. I'm gonna give it a taste test, but I've saved one ball of cookie dough to bake it in the oven. Oh my gosh, it looks so nice. There's so many chocolate chips. I can't get a bit. Okay, I just dropped a bit. That's amazing. Cookie dough is just so delicious. What you can also do with this is roll it up into little balls, freeze it, and then you can put it into ice cream, like little Ben & Jerry's little balls. So I've got my scoop of cookie dough. I'm gonna scoop it onto my tray. Now I'm gonna try baking this in the oven for about 8 minutes at 160 degrees centigrade. I have a fan oven, so let's see what happens. I'm kind of excited. Okay, my cookie took 10 minutes in the oven and it still looked quite doughy when it came out. So I've let it cool for about 20 minutes. So I'm gonna see what it tastes like. You know what? It actually looks pretty good. I'm gonna break it. Ooh, it's all soft and gooey. Okay. That looks really good. Okay, I'm gonna try it. I'm really intrigued right now. The taste is really nice, but it's missing something. It's more crisp, so it's on the shortbread side, like it's a real soft shortbread, but it's really nice. So like, if you didn't want to use eggs in your cookies and you just wanted to make these, you're still gonna be pretty happy with the results. Those crispy edges are good. So that is the end of today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it and let me know if you make the cookie dough and like what flavor you make. Also, I just want to say a huge thank you to you guys because as you can see, I have I have my 1 million subscriber play button and I'm just so thankful for you guys. So really appreciate it. Also, I've just started live streaming. So if you guys see that I'm live, stop by and say hi. And don't forget, my new book, Baked in One, is now available. It's available on Amazon and most major bookstores. So if you want to get yourself a copy, please do. I would absolutely love that. Have a great day, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.